Hashtag I quit. Just kidding.
Hashtag multitasking.
Hashtag squirmworm.
Hashtag road trip dudes.
Not while you're driving, man. Hashtag YOLOI.
Is anybody even gonna read this?
Basti.
Coffee friend.
Mini bagel.
Sush. Unsubscribe.
What's up, Facebook? Oh, look at my new shoes. Unfollow.
I love coffee.
We're going viral. Driving selfie.
Glaciers.
Desert.
Third world.
Nobody cares.
No.
I'm gonna hide all of you.
Popular page.
Remember when the internet was new? Those of us that do. That was really actually only about 25 years ago, if you can imagine. Vocabulary now. It's all about as well. We are constantly at work, constantly connected, and constantly distracted. That's who we really are in real life. And this is what we present on Facebook. Guilty. The best selfie, that was a lot of fun. That crashed the Twitter feed, I think most people know. And then we have the funeral selfie, not so fun. She looks very unpleased. And we have the driving selfie because I mentioned research shows that won't kill you at all. I think we would all live life better if we had hands to hold rather than keys to click.
This is the new world order. For the next 10 minutes, we are going to be on survival trip. Don't get paranoid. What do you think about when you think about the word survival? Most of us think about the shelter. Some of us think about the food, water, clothes. When you travel, what do you think about? The ticket, cash, and credit cards, clothes, toothbrush, cream, etc. These are the things you need to survive. But it's 2024. I actually think there is a new kit for survival. The first thing we need to survive is Wi-Fi. Am I wrong? In my house, every evening, everyone is taking dinner, all calm, music playing. And as soon as the TV and phones get connected, my house goes into evacuation in 30 seconds. Everyone is glued to their gadgets. Every one of you has experienced that, right? This is my survival kit. Forget the tickets and money. I need phones, tablets, headphones, backups, and 2-3 chargers. But I don't travel with 4 toothbrushes. Tell me this is not true in your suitcases today? That's the new toolkit for survival today. In the last video, we saw the Maslow's triangle of hierarchical needs theory, the foundation in human psychology. It's a many decades old theory. As a society, what we need to survive is basic needs, safety needs, social needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Well, but I think in 2024, there is a new hierarchy of needs. We can call it as a technology hierarchy of needs. I had a front row seat to observe how technology exploded exponentially as I was growing with the introduction of PCs, the internet, the smartphones, cloud, IoT, etc. Please watch till the end. Okay, what is even more important that we need to survive beyond Maslow's triangle? You are so addicted to survive, to communicate to your family, friends, to get on social network, check your email every half an hour. You cannot get Wi-Fi without power. When the battery turns red, we all get panicky and rush for charging. Many times in the morning, before we charge ourselves with exercise and walk, we plug in all our gadgets for charging. The next is Microsoft Word, Excel sheet, PowerPoint presentation are all important tools for our office performance and professional delivery. We need them badly and totally dependent on them. We need to work, need computational power. We need the platform like Google to search our mail. I am sure you would check the email at least 4 or 5 times a day. The next generation, do you think they will learn from chalkboard and textbooks? There is a tablet for them. Next, think about social needs. How do we engage with our friends? How do we keep track of our families? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. I am sure every single person watching this video will be using 1 or 2 apps like this many times already. Do you really think people are meeting at coffee shops regularly? In the world of digital marketing, social media has revolutionized our communication. People communicate on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram today. Social media has altered our communication style and channels. Moreover, people convey by emojis instead of a long comment. These platforms allow users to build connections by sharing content. Let us be real people. Next in the hierarchy is Tinder and Bumble, billion-dollar organizations. How do people meet in today's generation and today's society? Tinder has received quite a bit of publicity. It's one of the most popular lifestyle apps with over 10 million daily active users. Bumble is a great way to find people in your area that may be just bringing the energy you are looking for. Bumble was designed to challenge outdated dating. While you might find some users looking for casual encounters, the majority of the user base is more likely to be interested in dating, friendships, or even love, long-term commitment, and marriage. Meanwhile, Tinder has the most women using the app just for fun, with 43% of women on Tinder saying they don't plan on meeting up with anybody from the app. But what is compelling even more than all of this? What do we need to survive? Obviously, WhatsApp and iMessenger. How else do you communicate? If I have WhatsApp and iMessenger, I can text the message. If we don't have that today, I don't think actually I know even how to dial on my phone. If someone asks my sibling's telephone number, I could not even tell you. This is the technology hierarchy of needs. I have long been interested in human behavior and psychology. I studied applied behavioral science in grad school, and what I learned has served me well as an IT leader. One of my first behavioral scientist heroes was Abraham Maslow. His work was groundbreaking because, unlike most other psychologists, he studied human potential, not just pathologies. Equally, I am afraid, many of us walk around with our heads down, looking at our all-knowing smartphones. You would have never thought about technology this way until this very unique post, for sure. This hierarchy represents very accurately what had happened in the last 30-40 years and potentially what will happen in the next 10 years. Now, is it possible that AI will remain at the top for the next 50 years? Sure. However, I think the pyramid could be better represented with a big question mark on the top. that will come and disrupt our technology roadmap? We are going to seek some answers for that question mark in the oncoming videos. Thanks for watching till the end and sharing in your group. Kindly make free subscription to motivate Rich Dad with newer wisdom.